Hey guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson from exoticgardening.com,
And Jeffrey Rhoades.
and I need to tell you that I did receive this item for free in exchange for my honest review, and I am super excited about this. This is the Dramm chocolate rain wand. It is 30 inches, and I want you to look at this. Not only is it a gorgeous color, but it's a Dramm. And look at that handle. Look at that color. And look at the breaker nozzle. So I am going to let Jeff give you all the perks of this.
Okay, so it is a 30-inch anodized aluminum tubing.
This.
Okay. It's a 400 water breaker nozzle.
And let me show you.
Gentle, full flow of water.
Yes. And as with all Dramm products, this does come off and is replaceable. They do sell different breakers if you're interested in that. Now to get it back on. It's the angle. It's really easy. It's just the angle at which I'm holding it.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. It does have the Touch and Flow Pro shutoff, and gives a 11 gallons per minute at 60 psi for full flow watering, and it has a TPR rubber grip for comfort and durability.
Yes.
So, very nice.
Very nice. And I have to tell you, my other Dramm, which is not this gorgeous chocolate color, is over 20 years old. And the only thing that I have ever replaced on it is the nozzle. And we have put some new
Rubber gaskets.
yes, this one, does this one have, this one does not have a rubber gasket. Yes, it does. Right there it is. Yep. So we have had to replace the gasket a couple of times, probably more than a couple of times. And I have replaced the nozzle. And that's it. The tube here is still good. But I wanted this chocolate color because, well, I grow Theobroma cacao. And one of the things that I have had in the past is a chocolate garden. And I needed this rain wand to water my chocolate trees and chocolate colored plants. So, and I am a huge, huge fan of Dramm. I have to tell you. I got my first Dramm. I paid for it at a nursery someplace. Back when I first got into really growing plants. And it was a lot more expensive than some of the other ones that they had. But they said to me that this would be the last one that I would need to buy. And so I thought, well, okay, I'll give it a try. And over the years, I have bought other ones that have looked prettier. I have bought telescoping ones to get way up high in my greenhouse and get those plants watered. And I mean, this does have a 30-inch reach, but when you're trying to reach plants that are 7 feet up, you know, I thought I needed something with more reach. And I have to say, none of the other ones I have bought have ever held up as well as my Dramm. There is only one really good watering wand, and that is a Dramm. I have had other nozzle attachments. I actually have a breaker that is for seedlings, and it puts out a very, very fine mist so that you can water your seedlings from overhead, which is really nice, and it does not damage the seedlings. I have attachments that allow me to put one end in a bucket of fertilizer, and it will pump it through and put it out through the nozzle. I'm trying to think, do I have any other that you know of?
I don't know.
I don't remember, but Dramm is very well worth the money. It is truly the last wand that you will buy as far as I'm concerned. And really and truly, the only reason that I wanted or needed a new one was because of the collar. um, like I said, I just had to have this. The other thing that is really, really nice about this is this handle, because you let go and the water goes off, you pull it and the water comes on. You have control of how far you pull that. And the only other thing that I have done on my other one, because it does not have this, I don't think it has this, does it? I don't think it does. I think it's an older one before they made that. I have an on and off valve on mine so that I can shut the water off. Now I will probably put an on and off valve at the end of my hose before I attach this, simply so I can shut the water off if I want to trade this. I don't remember if my other one has the squeezy or not. I don't think it does.
I know you've got one that does.
I do, but that's because I bought yet another Dramm because of the squeezy. But I think my original Dramm did not have.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it did not have that. Because like I said, that was 20 some years ago. So, but if you truly want a really good product, I highly recommend this. Like I said, any of the Dramm products are really good. And as you can see, I know that looks like a lot of really little holes, but once you see one of these in action, which it's been raining here almost nonstop since I got this, so I have not been able to go outside and do any kind of video with the water coming out of this. But once you see the water come out of one of these and you see the difference that it makes, this is what you're going to want. Like I said, really good, high quality products. And I'm going to take this off too, because something else that I wanted to show. This is metal, aluminum. So these, what do I want to call these, Jeff? The threads. The threads are not going to bend up and do all the things that plastic threads would do. This is the inside of this. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the same way. Very nice, very easy to put on. I mean, just fingertip right there, and then give it a tighten down. So, anything you want to say about this? Because I know you've used my other one. No? No thoughts? Okay. So really, guys, Dramm is the way to go. And if you love this chocolate color, it's my understanding that these are selling out really fast.
It is a nice color.
It is. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And very unique. So, like I said, we did get this product for free. But my first one that really sold me on the product is one that I paid for full price. So, now we want to ask you to subscribe to our channel and click that join button below and check out our membership, because we're going to have a lot of exciting perks for you coming up, but it's only available inside of our membership. And we do have 3 different join rates. We have a level 1 for like $1.99 a month, where you can show your support and you get things like special emojis and you'll get a shout out on our channel. All the way up to a level 3. Don't be afraid if you join a level 2 or a level 3 that you're going to lose out on anything, because you get to keep, if you join a level 3, you get everything with level 2 and everything with level 1, plus the extras of level 3. It's the same way with level 2. If you join level 2, you get all the things that you would get with level 1. So you don't lose anything by going with the higher level. You just give us a little bit more support every month so that we can make some extra videos and do some exclusive stuff just inside of our membership that will not be available on our YouTube channel. So I hope you will subscribe. I hope you will join our membership.
And thank you for your support as always, and
Yes.
have a good night, and we will see everybody around, and
Tomorrow on our daily vlog.
stay safe out there.
Yep. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.